Alrighty, guys, welcome back to another episode of my trading. So, before we get into the technicals, guys, and before we get into the charts, let me go ahead and show you my portfolio as of right now. So, today is the 23rd of August, and as of right now, this is the portfolio percentages. And right now, we're in 83% cash. Right now, 7% of the portfolio is in Solana, and 9% of the portfolio is in SUI. This is the Solana profits as of right now. This is for today, and this is just the total unrealized profits on Solana. For SUI, this is for today, and then this is the total unrealized for my SUI trade. And this is, so every single day I'm gonna be showing you guys the portfolio, where the portfolio is at. This will change daily, or this could stay the same, well, depending on the charts, depending on the technicals and the systems. So that's all I want to go ahead and show you guys, and we can go ahead and move on to the technical analysis and what I'm seeing and what I'm looking for in order to start adding more. Because obviously I do want to add more. I want to add more in. We had a nice correction. I want to show you guys a different chart. So this is the Bitcoin chart, guys. This is the daily. This is the daily time frame. So as of right now, Bitcoin is at 115.3 at the moment, and we had a pretty decent close today. What I'm looking for right now is just more confirmation from the charts. So we came all the way down. We corrected all the way down at this point. Since like last week, we came all the way down and we corrected about 10.5% on Bitcoin. We did have a good recovery on the Jackson Hole Fed meeting, and we ended up getting this humongous candle. Now, the thing that we're really looking for is confirmation. It's exactly what I'm looking for right now. So staying patient and not FOMO into this right now is very key. If you're a FOMO into this, you gotta be very, very careful, because this could be a big, huge bull trap. It's gonna be a huge bull trap. Now, we don't have confirmation yet, but as of right now, where it stands, this could potentially be our lower high. If this is our lower high, which is 14.5, okay, and the prior low was at 11.6, and if we can stay below 14.4 and not break this at any moment, then I would say it's safe to say that this is our lower high and we can continue to go up for, the remainder of the new week. Obviously, it's the weekend, so low liquidity. And we have to just be very mindful that there's a lot of things that can move the markets on weekends. It can be a dump, it can be a pump, it can be a short squeeze. Gotta be very careful, be very mindful. So I normally don't increase my trades over the weekends. I might. We'll see what happens with that, but I'm just staying patient and just relying on the systems. As of right now, and by the way, guys, if you didn't know this, in cryptocurrency, Bitcoin is the index. I should have mentioned that in the beginning of this video, but Bitcoin is the index. Okay, if Bitcoin does well, the altcoins are going to do very well at this point. If Bitcoin does bad, if Bitcoin goes down, the alts take a harder hit. Okay, so I don't need to go through a technical analysis on Ethereum, Solana, or Sui, or Doge. I don't got to do all that, because it's dependent on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin decides to dump from here, then so will the rest of the alts, right? So it's very crucial that what I'm basically looking at right now, I'm looking at the whole index of the entire crypto industry, the whole crypto markets. So Bitcoin is the index. Bitcoin does well, everything else does well. Bitcoin does bad, everything does worse. So keep that in mind. If you didn't know that before, now you do know. The main indicators I use is just a simple RSI. Let me go ahead and remove the EMAs. So RSI right now is still not crossing over this gold band. Now, my goal is I want this to cross the gold band. If we can cross this gold band, then we're pretty much set for another trend up. But as of right now, Bitcoin has stalled behind this gold band. And until we can see a crossover of this gold band, it will not signify strength. So as of right now, still a little weak. We had a nice bounce off of Friday, but we just need more confirmation on this as well, whether or not we're going to go higher or lower. Okay, so that's very important for me to look at. We can look at the stochastic MACD, which is the second indicator that I use. So the stochastic is still turning down. The stochastic has not crossed over yet, and we're still oversold, but the selling pressure is a lot lower. The selling pressure is fading. Now, this is a good sign. This is what we want to see. If we continue to go a little bit more red like this, then it's not a good time to buy yet because it can go a lot lower. So that being said, I am just maintaining my stance. I am just waiting for more confirmation from Bitcoin, and that will signify, to add more. That will justify the means to add more to my trades. Solana and Sui are the ones that I am trading at this moment right now. So, anyways, guys, I don't need anything else. This is my, by the way, this is my personal Bitcoin chart. I know people don't want to look at all these trend lines and stuff. But it's important to know how to draw trend lines, where to draw them, and all of that. So I know how to draw trend lines, and trend lines, work if you know how to use them properly. So, anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Look forward to more episodes. I will update you guys tomorrow, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a great rest of your day, guys. Peace out.